Happy New Year! So this book I made from the stuff that I got, like, or I rescued from the pile. So this bag was something, came in this bag, and I thought it would be a great way to create a pocket. So, and also to preserve, because you know wrapping paper is very fragile. So I decided to put it in the bag, fold over the bag as I normally do with pockets, and glue them down with some I think it was fabric glue, or it may have been the double-sided tape. And I had this book before, and I realized that I put it in here, but I was like, what do I need this for? And I'm thinking maybe I use this next year, or I make this a recipe book. So wrapping paper, this was a bag, this was a card with a recipe for Christmas pastry. So it's really hodgepodge, very trashy and great. And any leftover stuff that I don't want to store, I'll just glue in here. And you see I have 2 more of these and another recipe, tea-dyed paper, wrapping paper. Yeah, 2 of them are actually upside. This is upside down. Oh no. And this upside down. Oh boy. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, if I'll just populate it with all the things, because I do have this stuff that couldn't hold in anything that I have, so I might just glue them in randomly and keep it as a Christmas, ephemera book. And maybe next Christmas I'll just put pictures in here, or maybe journal around it. I don't know, but I like it. And I have this little hole in here because I've always wanted to do a dangle, and I always forget to make the hole. I don't have any eyelets, but I do have brads, and I think once I have the chain thing going, I can put a brad here. And I got this at Walmart, so for like $1.90 something. So yeah, this is what I did for December. And there's something I do want to show you, is that I got this gift book from Goodwill, that either I'm going to make this into my January book, because I can just cover stuff up, have pictures up here, right down here, or make it an art journal, which is what I was leaning toward. And I made this from an old album cover, and I actually did a video. I didn't post it or anything, but just to show you how I transformed it. Basically just like, it wasn't rocket science or anything what I did, but just to show you of what the vision that I had for something when I saw it in the thrift store. And it made me think maybe I should have a series called Transforming Thrift Store Finds, because I do it all the time. Either I incorporate it into a junk journal, or I make it something for my craft room, and I just do it for myself and I never share it with you. So I think because this was a book, I figured I would share it with you, but I'm going to do more of that because I have other things from the thrift store. It will motivate me to use the things that I get, which is one of my resolutions, is that to make sure I use the things that I get at craft stores, at thrift stores, and it doesn't become a problem like when I was in Louisiana and I had this huge stockpile of things that I never actually used. A lot of it I used, but when I was leaving, as you know the story, to dismantle 6 years of stuff, I realized how much I had accumulated, and I didn't always use a lot of it. So I am going to start that series. I hope that you guys watch, and I'll definitely, I've already edited that video, so that first video of how I transformed this book will be up soon. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking with me throughout the year, even though I wasn't online as much as I was in the past. I didn't document any of 2019 until December, but I am backtracking and I am going to make it. I'm going to, now that I have a dedicated space now in this new city, I am going to be on here a lot more. All right, guys, so thanks so much for watching. Walk good.